Hello everyone, this is Mehdi and you are welcome to a new video. In this video I am going to show you how to show categories on shop page. But before jump into the main tutorial, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get more videos on WordPress. If you visit my YouTube channel WP Handy, then you will see already I have published lots of tutorials on WordPress like classified listing website, e-commerce website, Elementor and basic WordPress as well. So I request you, please visit and subscribe to my YouTube channel and let's get started. Go to the website. This is an e-commerce website which I built only for this tutorial purpose, and currently I am visiting the shop page. You can see in the shop page products are showing. You can see this is the product name or title, then the price, add to cart button. If I navigate to another tab, then you can see this is another shop page where it is showing only the product categories. You can see fashion, formal dress and men's clothing, and another tab, and here showing product and categories. So if you want, you show the only product categories in the shop page, or if you want, then you can show product and product categories, and if you want, then you can show only product in the shop page. So in this tutorial I am going to show from very scratch to finish how you can show different type of layout or style in the shop page, like only product or only categories or products and categories. Okay, so very fast go to the admin dashboard. This is the admin dashboard and you have to hover over on appearance. Then you can see this is the customers and it's common for all themes. If you hover over on appearance, then you will see customers. Just click over here, then check where is the WooCommerce. Okay, so just scroll down, then you can see this is WooCommerce. Maybe you can see very fast or very bottom of the settings. Just check where is the WooCommerce. Currently WooCommerce showing middle of my settings panel. So just click over here WooCommerce, then you can see product image and general, different types of settings. You have to navigate to the archive or shop page settings. Okay, currently it shows archive. Maybe you can see shop page setting or shop page. So if you can see here shop page or shop page setting or archive page, then just click over here archives. Then very fast you can see shop page display and show product, then the category display. So I want to change the setting for the shop page, that's why I have to work with it. Then show product, just click over here. This is the down arrow. You can see it shows different option like show categories and products. Just very fast select it, show categories, then publish it. Okay, then visit the shop page. This is the shop page and currently it shows product. Okay, refresh it and check it. Okay, you can see only the product categories are showing here. If you click over here, then you will be redirected to this category page. Okay, you can see product category and fashion. Again go to the shop page. You can see this is the shop page, and then again go to the settings area and just click over here, and I want to show like categories and product. So select it and publish it. Okay, then go to the shop page and refresh it. Yes, you can see it shows product and product category name. Okay, so if you click over here, then you will be redirected to the product page. Okay, so again go to the settings and finally show product. Just click and select it, then the publish it, then refresh this page. Okay, and you can see only product is showing. So in this tutorial we have learned how to show only categories or categories and product or product in a shop page. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get more videos on WordPress.